Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing wire wrapping. Since you guys liked my last wire wrapping video, I decided I'm going to do another one and try to be a little bit more descriptive and clear with this one. So I use these 3 pliers. You don't have to use these ones. You can probably get by without using them. I use these ones to cut the wire because it's a wire cutter. I use these ones to make a bail, which is the top part, so the part that goes on the cord or whatever you're using. And then I use these ones to bend the wire. They have a flat part on the inside, there's no teeth, and they won't make any nicks in any of the wires. For wire, I have a ton of different colors and sizes. I have this one, which is from Walmart, and it's a 24 gauge, and this is really if you are wrapping something super small, or if you want to wrap around another wire. I have a brown color, which is an 18 gauge. I recommend using 18 to 20 gauge if you are wire wrapping a crystal. I have silver, which I'm pretty sure this one is a 20 gauge. And I also have this copper color, which is also a 20 gauge. Like I said in my last video, which I will leave in an iCard at the top of this video, I have some black tourmaline chips that I will be using to make a necklace with. So this is a tourmaline that we can wrap right now. So what I'm going to do is take about 10 inches of wire, since it is a small crystal. I'm just going to cut off. Then I'm going to be using the round nose pliers to make a bail. So here I have my bail. So from here, I'm going to choose what side of the crystal I want to be the front. I'm going to lay it on the back of the crystal, like this. And then I'm going to wrap around however you would like. And make sure as you wrap around the crystal, you're holding it tight against the stone or the crystal, because you want to make sure that the wire is super tight against the crystal, or else it will become loose. As you can see, mine is around towards the top right now. I'm going to wrap it around the back to make sure that the back is secure. I'm going to show you where I'm at right now. This is a very important part, so if you don't do this, you might basically mess up your whole entire thing. So as you get to the top, see how I'm at the top? I'm going to wrap it around the bail that we made. There's that. I'm going to take it and wrap it around this circle part. And so I wrapped it around a few times. You can do it however many times you think. And then if you have the extra sticking out like I do, you can tuck it inside of the bail, inside of that circle that we just wrapped around. So this is me trying to put it inside. And then you can cut off the excess after you pull it all the way through. And then I'm going to use these pliers to cut off the excess as close as I can get so that it doesn't cut anybody who wears this. Here is the first one that we've wrapped. Basically, the stone is set in place. It won't come out, like even if I tug on this. Just make sure that you can actually tug on your bail and the wires and it won't really move very much, because if you sell them or anything, or if you personally wear them, you don't want the stone to get loose or anything. The next stone we're going to be wrapping is this amethyst one. It is super beautiful. I'm going to be using this. I'm going to cut off about the same amount of wire as the last one, because this is also quite small. And then we're going to be using these ones to make a bail. Take the end, wrap it around here, wrap it around at least 3 times. You can do 4 if you have a really heavy crystal. And then I'm going to place this against the flat part of the crystal. And then I'm going to start wrapping and make sure I'm holding the crystal as tight as I can with the wire against it. So currently it looks like this, and I'm just going to keep wrapping it however I see it is going to look good. Basically, you just kind of have to be creative with this part of wire wrapping. Just make sure that the end of this wire, your excess wire, ends up towards the top so you can wrap it around the bail. So I'm going to start making my way to the top, but now that I'm done wrapping the crystal, I'm going to wrap it around the bail now. I'm going to wrap it around this part. Just a few times, just so I know it's secure. And then I'm going to put this part through a circle. It's going to look something like this, and then we can cut off the excess. So this is my finished amethyst crystal when it's completely wrapped. So I'm going to show you the front and the back. This is the front for me. That's just what I liked better. And then if we show the back, this is the back. So a lot usually happens in the back of a crystal when you are wire wrapping, because you're trying to, create your design, and most people will finish in the back or have to drag the wires up towards the front like we do, because we want to wrap it around the bail or whatever. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to keep posting videos like this so that you guys keep getting more informational videos on how to wire wrap, because it seems to be a very popular video. I'm going to keep leaving more videos like this on these types of videos so that you guys can go check out my other wire wrapping videos as I keep posting them, so be on the lookout for that. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I really hope that this video helps you even a little bit. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays, so make sure you subscribe down below and like this video, and comment down below if you want to make any suggestions to this channel, and I will definitely go look at the comments. So anyway, okay.